The book is called Numbers because it records the 2 times all Israelite males of military age were counted. The book of Numbers covers the time of Israel's wanderings in the wilderness from Mount Sinai to the plains of Moab, about 38 years. The book can be divided into 5 sections. The preparation to begin the journey from Mount Sinai, Numbers 1 through 10, and chapter 10. The census revealed 603,550 males above the age of 20, not including the Levites. Instructions concerning the health of the camp were given. Instructions for the tabernacle worship were given. Instructions for the movement of the camp were given. The events of the journey from Sinai to Kadesh Barnes, Numbers chapter 10, 11 through 14 to chapter 45. There was a murmuring after the flesh pots of Egypt. God sent them quail, but smote them with a great plague. Aaron and Miriam revolted against Moses' leadership, and Miriam was stricken with leprosy. The spies were sent to spy out the land. Only Caleb and Joshua brought back a good report. Israel was sentenced to wander in the wilderness for 40 years because of their lack of faith. The journey in the wilderness from Kadesh to the plains of Moab, chapters 15, 1 through 21 and 35. This section covers 37 or 38 years. Korah, Dathan, and Abiram rebelled against the leadership of Moses and Aaron. Miriam died at Kadesh. Moses and Aaron disobeyed God by striking the rock instead of speaking to it. Numbers 20. God sent fiery serpents among the people to punish them for complaining. They were saved by the brazen serpent. Numbers 21, John 3, 14, 15. Og, king of Bashan, and Sihon, king of the Amorites, were defeated east of the Jordan, and Israel possessed their land. The account of Balaam and Balak, Numbers 22, 1 through 25 and 18. Balak, king of Moab, hired Balaam to curse Israel. Every time that Balaam tried to curse Israel, a blessing came out instead. God spoke to Balaam through his donkey, but Balaam persisted in evil. Balaam taught the Moabites to seduce the Israelites to engage in idolatry and fornication at Baal Peor in order to bring God's anger upon Israel. 2 Peter 2:15, 16, Jude 11, Revelation 2:14. God sent a plague which killed 24,000 of the idolaters. The final preparation for entering Canaan, the promised land, Numbers 26, 1 through 36, 13. Males of military age were again counted. There were now 1,730. Various laws were repeated. The city of the Levites and the city of refuge were given. That is all.